Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. It's Nigeria's independence and we'll be making a Nigeria flag themed balloon. The flag comprises of two colors which are green and white, with green representing natural wealth and white representing peace. I'm making use of two hula loops. The hula loops will be removed individually and then joined together to make a big circle. So I'm removing them now and then I'm attaching them together to give us a wide circle in order to be able to give us the results that we need for this balloon design. This is our transformed hula loop, two hula loops into one. Now I'm using the hot glue to attach the balloon tape to the hula loop. This is what I'll be attaching my balloons on. So this sets the basis for this decoration. Let's go on now to inflate our balloon. For this design, I used the 12-inch balloons. Later on, I used the 5-inch balloons. But at this point, I'm only inflating my 12-inch balloons, the white and the green. It's time to insert the balloons on the balloon tape. Just insert it on each individual hole, arranging them by the colors. In this situation, I'm using green on one side and then the white in the middle. So that's how I arranged these 12-inch balloons. Here are our balloons. I have arranged them in the balloon tape, and this is the outcome of the design. Here is our balloon design, the Nigerian themed balloon design. I made this design another way. Let's go on together. You will get to see this as well. Nigeria is celebrating her 60th birthday, if you would call it that way. Yeah, 60th year independence. Yeah, we decided to make a number representing that, and let's go on together and you would see this. So making the base on which our numbers will sit. Inflate your 12-inch balloons and pair them up into two, and then pair them up again. That is what I'm doing here, doing my pairing, and then attach them together. You can use the 260 long balloon, but in this I'm using the curly ribbon to attach my balloons together. Like I said, this will be serving as the base on which our number will sit. Yes, it's going to sit there comfortably. So this is our base, and now I'm inflating our numbers. The first one I'm inflating is the 0. So we have the number 6 and the number 0, which gives us 60. Attach the 260 balloon, that's the long balloon, to the number, and use this to attach or to hold your number in place on the base. This would help it to hold it firmly, and you can be assured that nothing would take it off as long as you have secured it in place. Now I will be inflating a long balloon, which is also known as the 260 balloon, and I'll be using this to design our numbers. I would actually be using it to attach them together. So inflating our long balloon, knot it and use it to attach the numbers together, tying them at both ends. Using the lamp stand, I made another design, also the Nigerian flag themed, with the balloons, with the existing balloons. I only detached them from the hula loop and arranged them into the lamp stand. So it's green, white, green as well. So I made use of 3 lamp stands, green on both sides and the white in the middle. Friends, if you have not joined this family, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell as well to receive notification every time we upload new videos. Here are our 5-inch balloons. I'm attaching the glue gun to it, and this will be used to stick it to the larger balloons. So stick it on both ends and just insert it in between the balloons, all over, green on the green side and the white on the white side. So this is the outcome of our design family. I hope you like it. This was done in 2 different designs. Please leave a comment in the comment section and let us know the design you like most. If you have found this video useful, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. If you are yet to join this amazing decorating family, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so that you will receive notifications when we upload new videos. We pray that Nigeria grows stronger and grow wealthier, and that peace should reign on every side in the nation and around the world. Nigeria is for God. Till I meet you again in our next video, please remember to stay positive and confident. God bless you.